So I'm recording more rain, and a second ago, the loudest lightning, thunder, whatever, because isn't it lightning strikes and then the thunder sounds? So it hit like right over there, and it was so fucking loud. I had to run in the house, but I love the rain, so I came back out. Maybe we'll get another one. Rain. That's gonna be loud. I had to cover my eyes. Did y'all see that? I hope y'all saw that. Oh, that was scary. Oh, shit. Oh my god, I had to cover my eyes. I got scared in that one. There's a huge one that just went right there.
Whoa. Yo, boy, let me see this crap. It's good. Oh, you got it?
Oh my god, yes, yeah, missed it. There was like one right there. Like,
Alright, I'll get my blanket.
Gary, sit back. I can't. You're gonna be in the way. Dang it. I missed it. I don't know. I hope I got it.
Shoot.